My name's Clark. I don't know if I ever introduced myself. I'm going to the reservoir today in Jackson, Mississippi. Well, Brandon, Mississippi. And yeah, the thing I'm most excited about is going to Circle K to get a biscuit. Circle K, Circle K, Circle K, Circle K, Circle K. It's down the road. I'm gonna go to Circle K, and then we gonna get some more biscuits. I just love biscuits. Biscuits with sausage, egg, ham, Canadian bacon, combinations of various degrees, spam on a biscuit, pepperoni, salami, bologna on a biscuit, deer meat on a biscuit, tuna fish on a biscuit. That'd be interesting. Fish biscuit. Did I pass Circle K? Nope, it's coming up. Oh my gosh. That's the one. Maybe that's the two. Yep, that's the two. This landing, I mean, this boat ramp ain't too bad. Yep, time to go. I'm gonna let the kayak hang out there. I'm actually stuck in this thunderstorm now. BLT. It's time to get back at it. It's raining again. I'm about to go out and get some supplies and maybe come back later at night. It's kind of freaky, man. Some big old spiders out here. Hey. Aha, it's a deer. After fishing for like 12 hours straight, I finally caught a fish. Well, I can't believe it. Fish are in fact real.